Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night.
What's up, everybody, and welcome. Beautiful morning here. We're actually headed down to another 36 Regal. It's 3 days in a row with the same kind of boat. Different issue this time. So let's jump in Brutus and get down there. All right, we're here at the marina. I actually had to make one stop before I got here. Let me show you. Had to swap an anchor out. Looks like it was working too good. Anyway, behind us is a Regal right there. This baby blue color is becoming real popular. Well, let's jump on here and I'll show you what's going on. Well, hello. Alright, so this happens sometimes. Usually if things fail, they fail right out of the gate. And that stereo is bad. So we have a new one. This is just a quick swap out. So let me do that and we'll test it out. Alright, she's in. Let's fire it up. That's a good start. Alright, here we go. Slap that back on there. Alright, now we gotta head back to the shop and see what we can get into. Oh, one more thing before I get out of here. Hit all those buttons below. I do appreciate everybody watching. I know I'm small. Don't know if I'm gonna grow or not, but I'm enjoying this and I hope you are too. So thank you. Now it's back to the shop. Alright, back in the shop. I actually have to leave, but I figured I'd stand in front of our very pretty 428 here. I love this boat. Anyway, we're headed down south one more time for the end of the day. See you there. Well, we're headed to the marina here, and look at this. You know, it never fails, I drive into the storm. About 7 minutes out. So me and Bruce just pulled up, and look what just came up, look. National Weather Service, tornado alert. Get to shelter. Look at these storms around me. It's crazy. Oh, I'm gonna run inside and see if we get this done. He's got the forklift. He's gonna pull the boat down and actually leave it in the barn for me so I don't get killed by lightning. That's very nice of him. So I was just gonna jump on here to switch this out real quick. Found out it's the wrong one, or this is a different size, so I'm gonna have to come back and make this bigger because I'm sitting on the forklift and he's waiting for me. Seems about right. We got rain, lightning, tornadoes, wrong parts. Let's call it a day. I'll see you next time. Look how many of my kids are in this row alone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What?